Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have some exciting news. Nothing is launching two new smartphones, the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro. If you thought Nothing was just sticking to its minimalistic roots, think again. These two phones bring some major changes, and in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about them. Are these phones worth your money? What are the differences between them? And most importantly, how do they compare to the competition? Stick around till the end to find out. Alright, let's talk design. The Nothing Phone 3A follows the footsteps of its predecessor, the Nothing Phone 2A. You get a similar transparent design, showing off internal components, which has become Nothing's signature look. However, the 3A Pro, that one takes a completely different direction. Instead of the usual transparent aesthetic, the 3A Pro introduces a more industrial, modern look. Some people love it, some don't, but you can't deny that it's a bold move. Both phones feature a centered punch hole display up front, keeping it clean and symmetrical. But the real change is on the back. A completely redesigned circular camera island with 3 cameras inside and LED lights wrapped around them. And then there's the button placement. A standard setup with the volume buttons on the left and the power button on the right. But here's something new. A dedicated camera button. Yes, an actual button specifically for photography. This could be Nothing's answer to Apple's action button, but we'll have to wait and see how functional it really is. When it comes to displays, both phones offer high-quality panels. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The 3A Pro keeps the same 120Hz AMOLED panel, but might come with slightly better color accuracy and brightness. One difference that stands out is display protection. The 3A is rumored to have Panda Glass protection, while the Pro model may opt for Gorilla Glass. However, this hasn't been confirmed yet. Let's move on to performance. Under the hood, both phones are expected to feature high-performance processors tailored for smooth daily usage and gaming. The 3A is rumored to pack the Dimensity 8200 chipset, while the 3A Pro could go for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or Gen 3, making it significantly more powerful. As for storage and RAM, the Nothing Phone 3A comes with multiple configurations, likely 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. Meanwhile, the 3A Pro keeps it simple with just one option, 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. One small but notable detail, the 3A Pro is slightly heavier, around 10 grams more than the standard model. Not a major difference, but something to consider. Now let's talk cameras. Nothing has really stepped up their game here. Both models come with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. But where things get really interesting is the telephoto lens. The Nothing Phone 3A features a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor with 2x optical zoom and 30x digital zoom. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro goes even further with a 50-megapixel telephoto sensor, 3x optical zoom, and 60x digital zoom. That's a significant upgrade if you love zoom photography. And the selfie camera? Another big difference. The Nothing Phone 3A comes with a 32-megapixel front camera, while the 3A Pro gets a 50-megapixel front shooter, promising sharper and more detailed selfies. Both phones will run Nothing OS 3.0 based on Android 14. Expect a clean, near-stock Android experience with smooth animations and minimal bloatware. Nothing's Glyph interface is also getting new enhancements, allowing for better customization and more interactive LED features. If you liked the LED interactions on previous Nothing phones, you're going to love this. The new camera button could be more than just a shutter. It might act as a shortcut for video recording, quick camera mode switching, or even app launches. We'll have to see what Nothing does with it. Both phones are expected to feature 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. Battery-wise, the Nothing Phone 3A is rumored to have a 4,700 mAh battery with 45W fast charging, while the 3A Pro might go slightly bigger with a 4,900 mAh battery and 65W fast charging. Wireless charging support is still unknown. Now, let's talk about price. According to leaks, the Nothing Phone 3A is expected to start at Rs $25,000, $290, $275. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro could be priced at Rs $30,000, $345, $330. Nothing is set to officially announce both phones on March 4th, so we'll know all the final details then. So, should you consider buying the Nothing Phone 3A or 3A Pro? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want a solid, well-balanced phone with a clean UI, good cameras, and a unique design, the Nothing Phone 3A is a great pick. But if you're after better zoom capabilities, a higher resolution selfie camera, and a slightly more premium build, then the 3A Pro might be the one for you. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to make you switch? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.